Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Indian Homemaking. I hope you are all doing great. I am at my mom's place for my sister's wedding and I am enjoying every moment here. The temperature here is very low, around 16 degrees Celsius, and it is a cold chilled morning. Today's video is about flower and vegetable gardening that my parents has created in their free time. So let's begin and come along with me. First of all, I am taking you to the first floor balcony where they have kept some flowers like genda, godavari, money plant and some other flowers. They look so beautiful and relaxing. Early in the morning when I get up and I see all these flowers and plants, I feel so much peace and happy. I think this is one of the things that I'm gonna miss after going back to my home. I wish I could have something like this to be refreshed every morning. Now I am taking you to the ground floor and here is our cute dog Bruno. Hey Bruno. So yeah, there also my parents have kept some pots opposite to the main entrance. It gives such a good view while entering through main gate. She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it into her side. Okay, so now I am at the backyard of the house and here you can see some white radish. Let me show you the close-up view. You can see it is fully grown white radish. This black thing on the leaves you are seeing here is organic fertilizer. My parents themselves are making organic fertilizer in home itself. For making organic fertilizer, they are using a plastic bucket and it is kept at the corner of the terrace. The only thing they do is they throw all the vegetable waste, excess, tea waste, etc. there in the bucket and put some mud. After few days, they will turn into fertilizer. And here you can see this vegetable. It is called chow chow in Bangalore. It is so good. Now let me take you to the terrace garden. Terrace gardening is such a nice concept in big cities like Bangalore where there are no space left for such thing. At least we can utilize some space out of there and have some fresh and organic vegetables. They have planted some brinjal, leafy vegetables, tomatoes, garlic, cauliflower, beans, etc. So what do these plants ask? Only some good quality soil, sunlight, fertilizer, water and some space. I am so loving it and it motivates me a lot. I hope I could be able to do this one day. Okay friends, we have come to the end of this video. Let me know in the comment box down below how you like this video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.